This 2023 Keystone Cougar 355 FBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features a Driftwood interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, TV antenna, microwave, air conditioning, oven, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, self-contained, skylight, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Cougar 355 FBS is 11,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.